Hello, welcome to Lloyd Land Rover Stockton. My name's Sam. Today we have a superb example of a Range Rover Velar in stock. This one in particular is what we call the Edition. Fantastic specification, lots of extra toys that we actually do get over and above the Dynamic SE upon which this car is based on. So Eiger Grey is the colour. Part of being the Edition, we do actually get that exterior black pack on the vehicle along with the grille, because it is an aerodynamic, which gives us that nice styling on the car. Front and rear sensors, and again, part of the Edition. Gloss black alloy wheels. We've got the black contrast roof, black roof rails. Nice accessories, front and rear mud flaps. We've got the deployable door handles, of course, signature to the Range Rover branding, along with the keyless entry. Some nice things like walk away locking, approach unlocking. Blind spot monitoring in those wing mirrors. Privacy glass that we do actually get as standard as part of the Edition again. And a fully powered electric tailgate, which is actually standard on the Range Rover Velar. But if I just bring this partial shelf back forward, you can see that this boot's really never been used. Really good amount of space. Looking underneath that boot floor, we've got even extra storage, and we can just simply push that button and close the boot right up. Looking inside the car, we've got a full ebony leather. The back of it looks like it's hardly ever been sat in. We've got a full light oyster contrasting stitching throughout those ebony seats, which look really, really well. Give it a little bit of a unique pattern. Electric seats for the driver and passenger. We do actually have memory functionality on this side as well, and a part digital TFT display which reads 28,123 miles. Now we've got heated steering wheel, two huge infotainment screens, top one being our navigation, phone connectivity, the likes of our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and our bottom screens all to do with our climate control. So climate control, heated seats or heated windscreen, and of course with it being an all-wheel drive car, we do of course have all of our typical Land Rover off-road modes. Down here, we've got our hidden little cup holder, so we've got some storage space right around here, our places to store our drinks, storage space between the two front seats. But I think most importantly, particularly with the darker interior, it does let the light in, and it's a sliding opening sunroof, so that opens right up as well. Condition-wise, absolutely excellent right around the car. 28,123 miles, away within its infancy, but fantastic condition for what is a brilliant specification car. If you do have any questions, please give us a call. The number is 01642 644 444. Thank you.